Hi there, Tim Berkwin. I'm the co-founder of AfterOffers, and I'm here to show you how AfterOffers works to get you new subscribers to your email list or your SMS list. You may want to make this video full screen so you can see what I'm referring to on the page here. Here's the essence of what we do. After someone joins an email list of one of the hundreds of publishers in our network, we offer them your email list or your SMS alerts too. Simple as that. So let me show you a real-world example. In this case, I'm going to show you one of our trading and investing vertical sites. But we have many verticals, everything from internet marketing to travel, health and fitness, and technology. We only show your ad in the verticals you choose. So if you're an investing related site, we only show your ad when somebody joins another investing related newsletter in our network. So keeping those topics matched is part of the secret sauce of how to do co-registration really well. So in this case, the publisher is called MarketBeat. If I join the MarketBeat list over here by putting in my name and email, before I go to their thank you page, the user is taken here, which is the halfway point. It's the After Offers page. And this is where the user can choose your newsletter or other investing related newsletters. After the user chooses yours, they are sent on to the final page of MarketBeat, which in their case is their premium newsletter upsell page. But let's go back to the After Offers page and take a look here. A couple of things to notice about this page. First of all, we never pre-check a newsletter unless the advertiser wants it to be pre-checked. We want the user to choose your newsletter or your SMS list because they want it, not because they forgot to uncheck something. We show a maximum of 5 newsletters. In our testing, more than 5 and what we call the rememberability drops. We want the user to remember what they signed up for when they get that first email and it's in their inbox. There's a no thanks link down here. If the user doesn't want to choose anything, that's perfectly fine. They move on in the pathway. Now, when somebody does choose your newsletter or SMS list, before we send that data to you in your CRM or your list service, it goes through a really strict quality and validation sequence. So we use 4 independent verification services that must all agree that the email is deliverable, not a bot, not a spam trap, not a low quality email. So the first one we're going to go to is email oversight. It simply tells us if the email is a real deliverable address. If they say yes, it is, we move on to the second step, which in this case is Kickbox. It quality scores the email in addition to saying whether or not they think it's deliverable. They have to agree. If both agree, we move on to the third step, which is Zero Bounce. Zero Bounce gets rid of spam complainers, but they also tell us whether or not they think that the email is a valid address. If it passes that third step, we then move on to eHawk. eHawk helps us block bots, which are a big problem these days. You don't want them on your list. It really hurts deliverability. So eHawk helps us do that and kind of watch out for any fraud. So if a lead passes all 4 services, we then send it into your ESP with an API. We integrate with about 30 different ESPs, Beehive, Infusionsoft, ActiveCampaign, a whole bunch. We can also use a GET or a POST URL like Zapier to send you the lead. One last thing we do, if your email list service says that the email or phone number is already on your list, you don't get charged for duplicates. We've never charged anybody for duplicates. You never have to worry about paying for somebody that's already on your list. It's just one more way to kind of try to set ourselves apart from everybody else out there. And then finally, you can go in and change your caps. We do hourly caps, weekly caps, daily caps, monthly caps. You can change the format of your ad in our dashboard and pause it or activate it at any time. So to get pricing, minimums, check the Get Started button there next to this video and we'll get your account created and send you further details that will be emailed to you automatically. Thanks very much. We'll look forward to working with you.